Hello viewers, I am Nilam Varaha and welcome to my channel. I will be demonstrating most of the part of C programming language and will implement few data structures using the C language in few short video tutorials. So let's start. At first, to start with C program, we need an editor and a compiler, and then also the interface is not user friendly. That is why we use Integrated Development Environment or IDE. In this video tutorial series, I will be using C IDE. To download it, just open your web browser and search for C. Then you can see there's many links to download this. I will click on the first link. You can click on end link as it is a free software, so it will not create any problem. You can download it from anywhere. And here is the option for download. I will click on this, and it is showing your download will start shortly. So just wait, and I will save the file. I will save it in desktop, and it's done. So I will just open the file. You can open it from there, or I have just saved it in desktop, so you can open from there where you have saved the setup file. So just open it and click yes. And I will choose the language is English, and I will agree, and I will install the full, and I will install in the default location as it is given. So install and just wait for a few minutes, and it will have a few seconds and it will do all of its work. And here you can see it is this C++ version 5.11. You can install any other version also, that will not create any problem. And there are other IDEs also except that C++, the Turbo C IDE, and there's Code Blocks IDE. You can download any one of them, that they will work all same. As you can see, all of it are extracting and just installing. So now it is almost done. Just wait for a while. Uh, and it's done. Just I will check this run C++ and I will finish, and next, and next, and okay. Now to write the C code, you can just click on this. It is showing new, or you can go to file and new, then source file. You can write the C code here. I will show a basic C code. You don't need to understand now what it is. I will explain all of this in the next video tutorial. So just follow how I am doing. And you can press only F9 to compile with the compiler as I have mentioned before, or you can go to execute and here is compile. Here you can see it is F9, the shortcut. Just compile this and it will give the option to save. I will save it and desktop. I will give it suppose a name first.c, and this C extension is very much needed. Without this .c it will not treat the program as C file, and you can select this as C source file and save it. And here you can see the first.c file, and after this compilation our executable or .exe file is created. And now just go to execute and run. You can also run it with F10 with this shortcut. Just run it and here you can see the program is running. So now we don't need setup file again, so just delete it and we will open the C IDE with this shortcut, or you can search it in your computer. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will describe all the C codes in the next video tutorial. Thank you.